Emagaro benki ya na indo mwanchi umurigererio Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mugusingwe na kwabere okwego kya asemiroberi yonsi eritkoria rero ime ya Ndizi TV kerorire ritkoria ijuma tariki 19 cy'umutinyo gatano omwaka w'ekibibere na 2023 na manga gendrete gokorekana imense ya Kenya kerotoro chabuna umurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo are ase goseni gara sesemo ya Kandara awase kirana somo yegabwo kubwa matanga yoko mwenya oyo kabeire omochumbe we constituency ya Kandara David Waweru Ng'ethe chinga kiechoni go omokonyi bo murai wense Rigathi Gachagua are asomuyega orengeta mangane semi ase county area Nyeri ne chinga kichingia bonekero cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabono mogoroba ekerongo kwarigania SMS Amayia erionko manyebuna narayana kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge nyoramuna sensemere ya Facebook nigoragendera gotonyoro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News mutandao Twitter nabogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News ero togendere gusanga nabo igo kwemanyama nkereterane Everlyne Osero tokubwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwene kyabuna wekere asensemo yebimanyerero kabana into Ikomi. Mwancho muri yarengo kwariga ntoya chaka senchira ya bene awase umuyega bo wakambya mono asobokoreri nabiga machibwa maya nena samatemwa manena yo abereka gokorekana obeire gokoenekiwa ase school secondary ya Mubamba yo toka sebunge nyari bari masaba imeye county ya Kisii no muyega bono ogendrete asichinga kiechiga buna tore ya sembeo awase bo wekiranwa nabarai agati ya muwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati omochumbe bwense moya nyari bari masaba Dr. Daniel Manduku egatia baraibande ekerobono bagendrete kurwesegete gochya saba orokiwa na baiga borokia kubeko mokia erioko enekia buna chisemi ngosirwa chire erioko enekia buna banango korebo barebya anene ase amatemwa manene na koimokerera igoro orogonko rwa Gusii. Egati abawaki korwase county ya Kisii nigo babere bawesokya nako gikeria okosie kwa magacho ensemo ya hema kobwatikana na kiria kegotebekana muna nigo enseme yo etarakanirwa abawakiri abo gati abo wakili Wilkins Ochoki nigo babere bawesokya na tabuna egekorekyo nigo kerengete komugosereria omowakili Ben Mumanyi oyora eteki na yoko kwegerera ensemo yo bokoreri ase serikali ya county ya Kisii gose public service board asekeria batebire buna engane yoteri endonge na igo goika babe bakuyegerera nonya nabo nigo wakili Ben Mumanyi abaga goikerana asechi abisya emambe rero kurende obaga konyora tisiekire entabere ga kugikere keimani gaba wakili abo babere bakugania omurembe koenekiwa nabo igo bokoreri kogendera koleta magendero ime county ya Kisii.
Twachire police station ya Kisii ku report yegendukia bale romambi karutwarenge karomo wakili Ben Gichana kuyo twakobire ku report acho office ya emambi asangi office yesikire abantu mbo ichorororo ekero aleko tema gukwana atemenga office igoru abantu mbali bale ngororo abantu amanyitara nyale korora mono to warange ba okoreka ase county government ba mutebinga atigo muchesa bwate nga nera sabantu bali bago chiesa ne gavana atigo muchesa okora ngango chiesa ali ne gavana ya Kisii na kitu achire ko report because ya karuto kuligereri nonyankuru ngoro ubwati gwalengene kigari yatamanyiti twatrebanga na bera abe umwobo mabuaye is at risk totagetinga moibo ngamambi ngotokire bosenkai tabua tayo asirete ngigoro yegasi abakora because intuna abawakili mere no mwakili ale tuirete segesonge tokorokange tokolegasi nabo tokokorera onde eira nabo tokokorera onde bwensi egasi so that ekero tokuligereri ebi nambire bibire ya bakoti ege county public service board asichi order chiatogete chigo tabange service board pesoka ekero
Obunyabyo botindi nigo bogendrete gokorekana ase chinsemo ane nase county ya Samburu mnechiremo yokoene kiabuna oburendi ngotinyiwa bore ase abananchi nabo igo oburendi bwetu bwabere bokoene kiwa watkana n'obunyabyo boni go chibunduki emerongo kianda na isano nemo amune chimbori wetani emerongo etano nebere echokonyora chebiru nababewa chiabachigotoka ase county yo ya Samburu okwana chinga kiechoni go muwaziri boburendi bw'emekiture Kindiki abagakoene kiabuna obunyabyo boni go burachikogendera gokorekana aso bw'emekigima eri okoene kiabuna etugeria genderete kubura nechie konyorekana eri abanyene babe bakonyanyora emuroberi oyo nigore inse gose obunyabyo boni go bore inse yo muroberi umanyekante buna maliza uhalifu nonyana bo Kindiki nigate babuna serikali nebegete meroberi sene yo gotia koene kiabuna ngosira bale abo bisabo burendi eri okobakonya aso goikirania obokoreri burobuya bwokubeka uburendi ase chinsemo
Sema ya kwamba serikali ya Kenya ambayo inaongozwa na Mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto imehakikisha ya kwamba tutaboresha maslahi ya polisi wetu na maofisa wa usalama wote wakiwemo police reservists. Na nimetangaza mambo ya NPRs nikiwa Baringo jana, sitaki kurudia, lakini tutashughulikia insurance cover. Tuhakikishe mmepata cover ya NHIF. Vile vile NPR wakipata medical cover ya NHIF, vile vile tutahakikisha mmepata sare maalum ama uniform ambayo itakuwa pamoja na viatu ili muweze kufanya kazi mkiwa na njia ya heshima. Na vile vile tutaangalia mambo ya marupurupu yenu kuhakikisha mmelipwa marupurupu kwa wakati ufaayo. Kwa hivyo vile vile kwa maafisa wetu wa polisi, Mheshimiwa Rais ameagiza ya kwamba vifaa vya kazi yenu ikiwemo silaha bora zaidi, vifaa vya kujilinda kutokana na adui, magari yenu ambayo yamewekewa mipangilio ya kiusalama na ndege zenu. Rais ameagiza ya kwamba tutafute bilioni 20.
No murandia Ezekiel Odero nigobona nyorire omwesomoke magigaye kigambiro goke ya amatuko yogosie ko wechi account chiaye kuro amatuko emeronke 3 goika amatuko 18 asinonya nabo atanchirwe korusia besende onsi ase chi account echo chiaye weko gochika kwabero gokorwewa ne kigambiro ekine igoro ye chi account ni okera chigotegererwa litkoria Jumatatu ikegocha asinonya nabo aba obisabo borendi babere bakwe walibaga lyo kobeka okugania kwabo ase kigambiro kobwatikana nogosiekwa wechi account chaye Ezekiel. Omugavana wa county ya Migori Ochilaya ko nigagikeirio muroberi obwo komenta ebanko asaba na inchi na goteba guseno komentera abakenya na goteba na okono komentera abakenya egurube chinga kiechi obogima bogendrete gokongani gaganira bachumbe gotaitio muswada bwe chibesa ase bunge aine nchireyemo yokoroberia abakenya obogima nigachire magaye serikali koralia buna abakolemeremo ase serikali bonsi nigo barachikona chwa ekere ngo yechiringi 3 echo kirachigokonya ase obwagachi wechinyomba ase rigorire insekegima nabo igo emerobere ndebuna omurobero ONHIF gatie yechinde ase keria abananchi bagendrete kugikiria omurobero yega na otana nigo kego chakoba egurube nene ase abakenya.
The whole idea of raising the amount that is to be taxed from people is a lie. The government nationally is lying to itself. Just widen the necks and start complying at family level. The family of those in power, from the ministers, just audit them. You will find they are not paying taxes for the resources or the wealth that they have. Once compliance is at 70 to 80%, then we'll be able to gauge the deficit. Hata mkiongeza 100%, the same charlatans will not pay it. So hii mambo ya kuongeza taxes is bad. In fact, it is an abuse on the face of Kenyans to pretend you love them and you want to lower the cost of living and then go for the few who are formally employed and raise taxes. It is giving with one hand and robbing twice with both hands.
Ekiombe getenerete banko imense ya Kenya Revenue Authority KRA nigo kiabekire miroberio yo kurwana ubonchoreria buria butaganirie aya magega ya serikali koraria oko igorwa kworo bebe gati ya Somalia na Kenya ase kiombe kyobonyonya nabo kiabekire body eyo rachigotenenera obokoreri ase Chinsa eri gotanga obokoreri gose miroberio yo obokoreri buria butancheiri.
TS wetu wa Interior alipeana amri mpaka wa Kenya na Somali ufunguliwe, na sababu ya kufunguliwa kwa mipaka tunadhani ya kwamba biashara pande ya Lamu pia itafunguka kwa wingi, na pia sababu ya biashara kuenda juu, pia tunatarajia ya kwamba mambo ya ama watu ambao wanafanya biashara ambayo ni haramu wanaweza pia kuongezeka, na kwa hivyo tunafurahia kuwa chombo hichi tumepewa kwa wakati ambao unaofaa, sababu itatusaidia kufanya patrols kwa maji.
As a country, as we focus on the blue economy, we hope that through shipbuilding of boats, of ships, it will go in a long way in making sure that we curb illegal activities on our oceans, and pia tutahakikisha kwamba that our agencies, maritime agencies, tunaangalia kama Kenya Revenue Authority, Kenya Coast Guard, Kenya Navy, that wherever they are called upon to respond to an issue and the vessels are up to the maintenance schedules are followed as by the manufacturer. So that's our role as Kenya Shipyards Limited.
Vile vitu ambazo huwa zinaletwa kupitia vichochoro sana ni zile prohibited ama restricted ambazo zinahitaji kuwa na permit, na kwa hivyo watu huwa wanaona ni vizuri kuzileta nchini.
Wizara ya mining nigo yaenekirie amabaga yemeremo asaba sayichiri bwisano asekero mwaka ase obokoreri bwensemo ye Chinsa okwana somoyega bwo kubekerwa chigutwa kwa borokiwa bobokoreri bwe Chinsa ase skuru yobubundi ya Ukunda imeye county ya Kwale nigo omowaziri of mining Salim Muvura abeireka gotabunege tambukirekyo nigo kirachiko konya asogokinya uchumi ye Chinsa egatia magendrandi meyense ya Kenya.
Saying is that we are expanding the opportunities in the blue economy sector. So I've directed the State Department of Shipping and Maritime to link up with the county government here so that they can devolve the courses that are being offered at the Bandari Maritime Academy, so we make them more accessible here in the region, because we have agreed with various shipping lines that every year we'll be able to send them 5,000 young men and women to work in the various ships. So we need to prepare them.
Ndio tunakuja na njia mbadala ya kuhakikisha kijana anapatiwa ujuzi either wa kuweza kujiajiri mwenyewe ama ya kutafuta opportunities katika zile mashirika ambazo zinaingia ama viwanda ambavyo vinaingia ndani ya county ama nje ya county pia. Kwa mfano sasa hivi kuna Shimoni Port ambayo tayari imeanza construction, na kunayo kampuni nyingine iko Kibuyuni, na kuna nyingi ambazo zimeingia tayari, na pia kwa kukuza uchumi samawati. Sisi kama serikali pia tumetafuta partners wengi ambao tunashirikiana nao ili kuboresha hali ya uchumi samawati.
Ekero emeroberio yogosira omurobero wa masomo OCBC yabereke gwikiraniwa ase Chinsemo au nigabwatani bekisemi korwa se county ya Garissa babiri bawe sokya na nene gukwanira amakongu au ayo yaberega kwenekiwa ase gatie skuru koirera omurobero yo gotaikiraniwa buna ebwenerete emechande yo gatia bono kota isaneka gosino gotaba okwa bari mu baisaine ase chiskuru na boigo ogo taba okwemerobere mekiranu magacho ase chiskuru chinyinge nigo bono ababwatani abo bamachirike mbyo kubalika bari mu ya Teacher Service Commission aso gotabalika abari mu baisaine anena asomurobero yo bakogo korekana ase umuchakano bw'umwako yega na otebabuna tibara konyaka buna county ya Garissa na bono nigo baborire serikali kweneke bunango bwatukore chibesa chisaine go chiase chiskuru eryo gosira umurobero yo OCBC na boigo chisemi aso bwagare.
The government has introduced a curriculum which they have not invested in it. There are no schools that can take care of that education system. We lack the infrastructure for JCC, and we lack the teachers to teach these students.
Challenges with classrooms that are supposed to be built new, because we are still using the previous infrastructure we had. A school like where I come from, that has 3,127 children, and we had only some few classes before. We had a shortage of classes before. Now there is junior secondary school. There is great shortage of classrooms in all schools. We have also laboratories. Laboratory is a new thing in primary schools. It has never been built before. There is biology, there is chemistry, there are so many science subjects that are supposed to be taught. Therefore, we request to get laboratories for our schools.
Ababwatani korwa se factory esukari ya West Kenya nigo bagendrete kwe murunganeria ko watkana na keria bateona no kunererwa nigo abateneri korwa se ke wande kyo babere bawe sokya na kogikeria bororo gosaganwa wechigari cyabo ico gikoimo kemesi korwa se ensemo ya Mumias nigo babere bakomokia abamerere babo na otebabuna nabo babataganitie gisegi kitabwenereti ko watkana no bokoreri ubu bogendrete ase ke wande kyo cinga Bwanda winde bigendrete kwenekia amakonye chingenjo au anene okoborwa gose ogokya kwemesie nabona nigo baborire ensemetenere toborendi kwenekia bunango bekere meroberio eisaine yoko enekia buna ebosagani buno buti borigo cyo kwenekiwa eryo kworobya obokoreri bwabo nagokinia obonchoreria.
Our trucks ferrying sugarcane from Busia and Halaba were attacked at Ekame in Mumias by some rowdy youth who were chanting pro-Mumias Sugar Company songs. We are happy to announce that none of our drivers was hurt, stone-shattered truck windscreens notwithstanding. The motive of the attackers appeared clear: to destroy the trucks and even set them ablaze. They later rushed away from the scene of attack, some on foot, while others on motorbikes. In view of what transpired, and in fear of losing our trucks and lives of our drivers because of this unprovoked, barbaric behavior by hired, vulnerable youth, we have been forced to park our trucks in our outstations until we are assured by security agents about safety of our fleet that particularly passes through Mumias to evacuate sugarcane to West Kenya Sugar Company.
Mwanchi umurigere ribanoro bautioru na rogotoreta omweri obwamaye Chinsa Ikomi asenchira ere yobenge kanangu wakera ngambia muno asogochora kubana inche na bali bonstu abwatira na kwene kya mangana wikira asenchira yobenge na barabuni gonku bakira ngambia muno nyorabuna ase mangana ya mona yanda mange nusko nyora asenchira ere yobekira no ne Vincent Onyancha ekirira lagense yemo na boigo Chinsa isato chia mogoroba na boigo asense moye chigosori ochikumira na Nerende Mo Stephen eri akumanyibuna nara ya yagendrete gokore goterekana ase ensemo yechigosori ono mwanchi umurigereri genderea kubwatia miroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo Gusii ekerongo kunyore buna sensemo ya Facebook nigora tunyaruwetera Ndizi TV News Digital sensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter nabwo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo nabwo sange kerengerero kya wetera se namba erase screen ya ogagu kukuganeria oburigereri borobya naboigo emagorobere ntoirere retariane Everlyne Osero twabwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwenekya wikira sensemo yemeyerio nere Abigail Nyanchama oyenekya buna chibicha neriogi cha wikira senchira ya bene.